Do you ever feel like your money controls you instead of the other way around? Like no matter how much you earn, by the end of the month, it's just gone? Bills pile up, your account hits zero, and you're left wondering, where did it all go? You're not alone. I've been there. That frustration, that anxiety every time you check your balance, it ends today. Because in this video, I'm going to give you a simple, step-by-step framework that will finally put you back in charge of your money. No complicated jargon, no financial buzzwords. Just the exact basics every beginner needs to know to track, manage, and grow their money. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know exactly where your money is going, and more importantly, how to make it work for you.
Welcome to Money Matter, the channel that makes money simple. If you want to learn how to budget, save, invest, and grow wealth without all the confusing financial jargon, this is the place for you. My name is Eddie, and the purpose of this channel is simple: to help you take control of your money so that it works for you instead of against you. So if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck and you're ready to start building the life you deserve, hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in.
Here's the truth. You can't control what you don't understand. Think of your finances like a leaking bucket. You can't fill it if you don't even know where the holes are. So the very first step is tracking your money. Start with money in. That's your total take-home pay. The money that actually hits your account after taxes. If you have side hustles, freelance gigs, or any extra income, add that too. Now comes the part most people avoid: money out. This is where things get real. For at least 30 days, write down every single expense. And I mean everything. Groceries, gas, rent, Netflix, that quick snack, or even the late-night food delivery you don't want to admit. Why? Because studies show people underestimate their spending by up to 30%. That's like thinking you spent $100 when you actually spent $130. As author Dave Ramsey says, you must gain control over your money, or the lack of it will forever control you. So, track it all. You'll be shocked at how much those little expenses add up. Show $5 coffee daily equals $150 a month. Once you know your numbers, it's time to become the boss. You tell your money where to go instead of wondering where it went. This is called budgeting. And no, it's not about deprivation. It's about planning for what you value. The easiest system for beginners? The 50-30-20 rule. 50% needs. Rent, groceries, utilities, transportation, minimum debt payments. 30% wants, dining out, shopping, hobbies, vacations, Netflix. Yes, this category is necessary. Life is meant to be enjoyed. 20% savings and debt repayment. This is your future. Emergency funds, retirement, and extra payments toward debt. For example, let's say your take-home pay is $1,000. $500 goes to needs. $300 goes to wants. $200 goes to savings and debt. It's that simple. Harvard professor Elizabeth Warren, who popularized this rule, said, "It's not about getting rich overnight, it's about making smart, consistent choices." And remember, if your needs are taking up more than 50%, that's a red flag. But don't panic. We'll tackle that in another video. Okay, you've got a plan, but life happens. Cars break down, medical bills show up, your hours get cut at work. Without a safety net, these surprises destroy your budget and push you deeper into debt. That's why your very first savings goal is an emergency fund. Start small. Your first target is $500, $1,000. That covers most everyday emergencies like a car repair or a doctor's visit. Once you've got that, aim for the big goal: 3 to 6 months of living expenses. That's rent, groceries, and utilities for several months. Why? Because if you lose your job, this fund buys you time, peace of mind, and the ability to make smart decisions instead of desperate ones. This money belongs in a regular savings account. Easy to access, but not too easy to spend. Treat it like a fire extinguisher, only for emergencies. Debt can feel like chains holding you back. But with a clear plan, you can break free. Here's how. First, focus on high-interest debt like credit cards. These debts grow like weeds. The longer you wait, the worse they get. 2 popular strategies. Debt snowball. Pay off the smallest debt first to build momentum. Debt avalanche. Pay off the debt with the highest interest. First to save more money long-term. Whichever you choose, just start. Every extra dollar you put toward debt today saves you years of interest tomorrow. At the same time, start saving and eventually investing. Even if it's just $50 a month, it matters. Why? Because it's not about the amount, it's about building the habit. As Warren Buffett famously said, "Do not save what is left after spending, but spend what is left after saving." Your goal isn't to get rich overnight. Your goal is stability, growth, and financial freedom. Every smart decision you make today is a gift to your future self.
Let's recap real quick. Track your money. Know exactly where it's going. Create a budget using the 50-30-20 rule. Build your emergency fund. Tackle your debt. Start saving and eventually investing for your future. Now, I want you to take action. Your homework is simple. Track your expenses for 1 week, just 7 days. Write down everything. And to hold yourself accountable, drop a comment below that says, "I'm in." I read every single one. If this video helped you, please hit that like button and subscribe. It truly helps this channel grow, so I can keep creating these free guides for you. This is just the beginning. You don't have to feel lost with your money anymore. You've got the tools. You just need to take the first step. This is Eddie, and remember, because money matters, your future matters. I'll see you in the next video.